So,
Do you like the other children?
yeah, they're fun.
Mm-hmm. Let's look straight ahead.
And so,
Okay.
I really
No,
like the...
don't act. Just talk.
Okay, so I really like the kids. They're all really funny.
Are they friendly?
Yeah, they are.
Okay. Do they swear?
No.
Oh, good. You know, I always have to ask that. Find out if they're nice kids. If they swear or not. That's my barometer. If they're naughty or nice, is if they swear.
Okay.
Okay.
So don't
I'm
you
glad
love
they
my
don't
glasses?
swear. Yes, just leave your glasses down. Stop mugging for the camera.
Okay.
All right. So, do you like the dancing part or the singing part? Do you like the snacks?
I like the snacks and the dancing the best.
Snacks. And what did you have for snacks today?
We had chips. Like there were a variety of chips that we could pick from.
Were they in bags or did they put them all in one bowl?
They're in little bags.
Little bags. Oh.
Like they were in little bags and you could choose one.
Like separate bags? What did you choose?
I chose the Cheetos and they said that they were baked, but they tasted normal.
Baked?
So
Oh, really?
they were lying.
So the baked Cheetos taste the same as the regular Cheetos. Oh, that's good
They
to know.
don't even look.
Should we get
different.
those sometime?
Yeah.
What shape were they?
They were the same. They were just the original one. They were crunchy.
Country?
Crunchy.
Oh, okay. The hard ones or the puffy ones?
The hard ones.
Okay.
The puffy ones are new. So, okay.
No. The ones that are like as fat as my finger that that are that long, that are soft and...
Yeah, those are puffs.
Yes, those aren't new. I think those are the first Cheetos. Yeah.
I don't think so.
Okay.
The crunchy ones are like bump.
The hard, bumpy ones.
Yeah.
Yes. So you had Cheetos, and what else did you choose? Did you get something to drink?
Some string cheese.
Oh, that was a nice snack.
With sausage, but I didn't have the sausage.
You didn't pick sausage?
Yeah,
Oh,
because
that
I
was a
had that
nice
for lunch.
snack.
I had
Yes,
that
you
for lunch.
did.
So you can see the...
Can you see the reflection? Oh, I see that. I can't see it in my glasses. Uh-huh. So do you think we should wear sunglasses every time we do a blog?
Yes,
a talkie
I do.
blog? Yeah, I think we should find the cat eye glasses. Those are pretty fun too.